what's up guys? Mike from Soundoftristate, Folsom, Pennsylvania. Just wanted to go to this 2024 Tesla Model Y that just got dropped off. This thing's in for a huge audio upgrade. We're going to be doing a 8-channel amplifier. We're going to be doing a 3-way set of components in the front. The speakers are actually from JBL. It's their Arena series. It's a 3-way component set. They actually retail for $5,000. Yes, that's right, $5,000. We got them on a really good deal, so we're passing the deal along to you guys. So what the components entail, it's a 6.5-inch mid-range, which will go in the door. It'll actually have a 3.5 up in the front dash, and then we're going to be doing a speaker in the sail right here at the tweeter. And then in the back in the cargo area on the passenger side, this panel lifts up. JL Audio makes what's called a Stealthbox. Most of the enclosure will fit low in the floor here. It'll be a 10-inch subwoofer, which will face here, so you can see no cargo area is going to be lost at all. The other really interesting thing with this vehicle, back in 23, the Model 3 and the Model Y went from a 12-volt backup battery system to a 16-volt. So even though these things obviously are electric, they still need regular 12-volt or now 16-volt to run things like your wipers, your power windows. So underneath here now is a 16-volt battery, which does, you know, it takes more work to figure out how to get around it, which we know how to handle correctly. So that's something really important. The new Cybertruck is actually 48-volt. So a lot of these new cars, they're going to be changing in the next few years. Definitely going to have to come up with more solutions to be able to get around and integrate audio and, you know, things like radar even in these vehicles to be able to do them correctly. So really cool project. We'll have it done in a few days. I will post some pictures of those during the process, and then I'll post a video of everything completed. All right guys, stay tuned. Thank you.